Sitting here feeding the birds, great outdoors. The Bible says that we are to not worry, just like these birds and these ducks in this case aren't worried about how they're going to get their next meal. One of the things this year that we want to concentrate on in our youth group at Calvary UMC is how to not worry and how to use common sense and try to get along in a practical way in a troubled and mixed up world. September 9th, which is a Sunday, we're going to have our first parent-youth kickoff this year at church. Get in contact. Let us know if you're interested. We want all the parents of our youth to show up, and we're going to talk about all the great things we're going to do this year.